and welcome to Coffee Chat with BallroomVille, where we chat about everything ballroom dancing. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next video. Grab yourself a cup of coffee and let's dive into this week's questions. All right, let's take a look. Is ballroom dancing hard to learn? In the very beginning, it should not be overcomplicated. If there is a qualified and experienced instructor in front of you, they will be able to break down all of the elements so it's much easier to learn and to help build that agility. Do I need special shoes to take ballroom dance lessons? I 100% always recommend for every single one of our students to invest in dance shoes because they're built to be able to execute the steps and the techniques that we'll be teaching you much better. And it just doesn't work out so well with street shoes. So actually, I'm gonna grab a pair, I'll show you. So this is a pair of ladies' dance shoes. And as you'll see, they're quite flexible and they're also very soft. And on the sole, they have a suede bottom. And now that helps for turning, gripping the floor, and actually being able to slide your feet on the floor. Now, of course, if you have street shoes on, they're going to stick with the rubber or with the grips on the shoe, and it actually is not very good to dance in. It could affect your joints and things like that. So proper footwear is definitely a must for dance lessons, especially if you want to get the most out of your dance lessons. Actually, I will link a few places down in the description that you can check out for dance shoes, or if you need more help with them, I'd be happy to help you. Just send us an email. Can I take ballroom dance lessons by myself? Do I need a partner? This is probably one of the most frequently asked questions, especially for new inquiries or new students who start with us. Yes, absolutely. You can take dance lessons by yourself. You do not need a partner to start taking ballroom dance lessons. What are easy dances to learn for beginners? So typically for beginners, I would highly recommend starting with the agility learning and gaining dances. Dances like rumba, foxtrot, waltz, single swing, or an even timed hustle. What do you wear to ballroom dance lessons? It's best to wear something that you can move very easily in, that you don't feel restricted in. Most beginner adults feel the most comfortable in business casual wear. I would recommend to stay away from denim because it's a bit restrictive. How can I learn ballroom dancing at home as a beginner? Great question. BallroomVille Online is a live and interactive format for you to learn how to dance from the comfort of your own home. And if you'd like some more information about that or to sign up for a consultation, there is a link right down in the description. I'd be happy to help you with that. Thank you so much for joining me today for Coffee Chat with BallroomVille. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when we upload our next video. Until next time.